If you're looking for a camera that can capture stunning videos, deliver crisp audio, and make your vlog stand out, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're counting down the 5 best cameras for vlogging that combine image quality, portability, and ease of use. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, these options will elevate your content. All product links are in the description below, so let's dive in. At number 5, we have the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. The Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III is a vlogger's dream camera designed to capture stunning visuals and deliver professional quality content with ease. Equipped with a 20.1 megapixel 1.0-inch stacked CMOS sensor and DJI 8 processor, it ensures sharp, vibrant footage even in low light. Whether you're filming daily vlogs or cinematic travel stories, this compact powerhouse delivers exceptional results that stand out. Bring your creativity to life with 4K uncropped video at 30p and Full HD at 120p for smooth slow motion. The 180-degree tilt touchscreen makes it perfect for selfies, creative angles, and engaging vlogs, while optical image stabilization ensures steady, professional-looking shots. What sets it apart is the built-in live streaming capability, allowing you to share events, tutorials, or behind-the-scenes moments in real time. From smooth cinematic videos to mobile-ready vertical content, the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III is built for today's creators. If you want flexibility, portability, and professional features all in one sleek package, this camera is your ultimate vlogging companion. At number 4, we have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is a compact yet powerful vlogging camera designed to elevate your content creation. With a 1-inch CMOS sensor and 4K/120 frames per second, it captures stunning detail even in low light or sunset scenes. Every frame looks cinematic, giving your vlogs a professional edge. Framing your shots has never been easier with the 2-inch rotating touchscreen, allowing seamless transitions between horizontal and vertical shooting. Whether you're capturing YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, or TikTok content, this camera adapts effortlessly to your platform of choice. Its portability makes it the perfect travel companion for vloggers always on the move. Say goodbye to shaky footage with 3-axis mechanical stabilization. Whether you're walking, dancing, or chasing the action, Osmo Pocket 3 ensures buttery smooth videos. With D-Log M 10-bit color depth, fast focusing, and immersive stereo audio, your videos gain stunning detail, vibrant colors, and crystal clear sound. For vloggers who demand cinematic visuals and professional quality storytelling in a pocket-sized design, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is the ultimate choice. At number 3, we have the Sony ZV-1. The Sony ZV-1 is built specifically for creators who want professional quality vlogs without complicated setups. Featuring a 20.1 megapixel 1-inch Exmor RS CMOS sensor and Zeiss 24 to 70 mm f1.8 to 2.8 lens, it delivers stunning detail, rich colors, and beautiful background blur. Whether you're filming in daylight or low light, Sony ZV-1 ensures sharp cinematic footage that stands out on any platform. Perfect for vlogging, the flip-out 3.0-inch touchscreen makes framing selfies and recording on the go effortless. With real-time eye autofocus and tracking technology, you'll stay sharp and in focus even while moving. Its compact size means it slips easily into your pocket, making it the ideal travel companion for vloggers who never want to miss a moment. Creators will love the product showcase mode, which instantly shifts focus from your face to an item, perfect for reviews, tutorials, or unboxings. Audio matters, and Sony delivers with a directional 3-capsule microphone, detachable windscreen, and support for external mics. Whether live streaming or recording content, the Sony ZV-1 is a complete vlogging solution that combines portability, performance, and professional features. At number 2, we have the Panasonic LUMIX GH6. The Panasonic LUMIX GH6 is a powerhouse built for serious vloggers and creators who demand professional quality. Featuring a 25.2 megapixel Micro Four Thirds sensor and the advanced Venus engine, it delivers incredible detail and color accuracy. With support for 100 megapixel high-resolution handheld shots, it ensures every frame looks stunning, whether you're filming landscapes, travel adventures, or cinematic storytelling. Unlike many cameras, it offers unlimited recording time, making it perfect for long shoots, live events, or extended vlogs without worrying about overheating. Stability is never a concern thanks to the 5-axis dual IS2 system, which provides up to 7.5 stops of correction. This ensures smooth, shake-free footage even in low light or handheld shooting, ideal for vloggers who are always on the move. From ultra-slow motion 300 frames per second full HD recording to its robust build and professional color grading options, the Panasonic LUMIX GH6 is the ultimate tool for creators who want cinematic quality, reliability, and limitless creative potential in one camera. And finally, at number 1, we have the Sony Alpha ZV-E10. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 is a powerful yet compact mirrorless camera built for vloggers who want pro-quality content with ease. Its 4K video oversampled from 6K ensures crisp, detailed footage, while interchangeable lenses give you endless creative options. With over 70 Sony lenses to choose from, you can capture wide-angle travel shots, close-up reviews, or cinematic storytelling with ease. Made for creators, it includes a background defocus button to instantly blur backgrounds and a product showcase mode that smoothly shifts focus from your face to objects, perfect for product reviews and tutorials. This makes your videos look polished and professional without extra effort. Keeping your content smooth and engaging, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 features digital image stabilization and face priority auto exposure to keep you bright and clear even while walking or moving between light and shadow. Sound is equally impressive with the directional 3-capsule mic, optimized to capture clear audio in any setting. Pair it with Sony's digital microphones via the Mi Shoe for even cleaner, studio-like sound. Lightweight, versatile, and packed with creator-friendly tools, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 is a must-have vlogging companion. That's a wrap on our 5 best cameras for vlogging. These cameras offer excellent video quality, compact design, and user-friendly features perfect for content creators. Check the description for links and latest prices. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated on the top vlogging gear.